everyone. Today we are cracking open the truth about the eggs. And trust me, what science has discovered recently is going to surprise you. For years, people used to avoid eggs thinking that they would raise their cholesterol. But here is the thing, many research papers are showing us something completely different. So, in this video, I am going to share should you actually eat eggs on a regular basis and what are the benefits that scientists have discovered about the eggs. So, let's dive into the topic. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. First, let's talk about what's actually in an egg. Because honestly, eggs are like nature's multivitamin. So, one large egg contains about 6 grams of high quality protein. It only contains 70 to 80 calories. We can get vitamins A, B and D from it. It also gives us important minerals and yes, some cholesterol as well. But hold on, we will get to that. Right now, we should mainly focus on that one question, which is what makes these eggs so special? And the answer to this question is they contain all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks that our body cannot make on its own. But here is what most people don't know. The yolk inside the egg is not our enemy. In fact, that golden center is where most of the magic actually happens, which is no doubt incredibly beneficial for our overall health. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, cholesterol. For decades, people threw away egg yolks because they were terrified of cholesterol. But here is what recent science tells us. Your liver makes most of your body's cholesterol. And what triggers your liver to make more cholesterol is not the eggs. It's saturated and trans fats that you get from those ultra processed foods. A 2024 study followed over 8,700 older adults and found something incredible. People who ate 1 to 6 eggs per week had a 29% lower risk of dying from heart disease compared to those who rarely ate eggs. That's insane, right? Even Harvard researchers have confirmed that eating one egg in a single day is perfectly safe for most of the people. Other researchers also says that eating up to 7 eggs in a week will not affect your heart health at all. So, if you have been avoiding eggs because of cholesterol fears, well, science says you can stop worrying now. A groundbreaking study discovered something that nobody expected. They chose people who do weight training and gave them either whole eggs or just egg whites, both with the same amount of protein. The result? Well, people who ate whole egg had 40% better muscle protein synthesis than to those who only ate egg whites. 40%. That's huge. But wait, both groups got the same amount of protein. So, what exactly is going on? Well, Scientists believe that eggs are the complete package. The egg yolk contains vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and other nutrients that work together with the protein. It's like having a team instead of just one single player. And this is not just for bodybuilders. It's for those who are trying to stay healthy as they are aging. It's for those who are just trying to recover from exercise, or for those who are just maintaining healthy muscle. Eating whole egg matters for all of us. Benefit number 2 is eggs can literally protect our eyes. And for this, your eyes are definitely going to thank you. So, eggs contain two powerful antioxidants. Those are lutein and zeaxanthin. These are like the sunscreens for your eyes. Basically, those two antioxidants can actually protect your eyes from getting damaged. Here is the cool part. In one study, eating just one egg daily for 5 weeks increased lutein levels by 26% and zeaxanthin by 38% in older adults. And not just this, whole eggs can actually help in preventing cataract and even complete blindness in older adults. Amazing, right? Plus, the fat inside the egg yolk will help your body in absorbing those antioxidants more better. It's like nature has given us the complete package, isn't it? Okay, benefit number 3 is about brain power and more such things. Do you know that eggs are one of the best source of something called choline? Now, you have probably never heard about choline, but it's incredibly important because choline helps in building our cell membranes inside our body. It produces some important brain chemicals and it also supports our memory as well as thinking. Most people don't get enough choline and so eating eggs can be an easy fix for them. But wait, there is more. Recent research also found that eggs can support healthy pregnancy. They can make you feel full longer, which can help you with weight management. They can also provide us adequate amount of vitamin D, which is required for our strong bones. And how can I forget this point? They are absolutely affordable. So, now you know why adding eggs into your diet is super good for your overall health, especially whole eggs. Alright, so how many eggs should you actually eat? Well, according to current guidelines, many healthy people can safely eat up to 7 eggs in a single week. Some research also supports that older adults can eat up to 2 eggs in a single day with normal cholesterol. But the key word here is healthy people. If you have high cholesterol and even diabetes, then you should talk to your doctor first because some studies show that people with high cholesterol and diabetes should be more careful with their egg consumption. But for most of the healthy adults, eggs are absolutely beneficial for their health. Also, and this is crucial, how you eat your eggs matters just as much as eating them. So, You can eat eggs by either boiling them or by cooking them in a healthy oil. You can pair it with some vegetables and make sure that you eat the whole egg, not just whites. Also, don't try to fry your eggs on butter constantly and don't eat raw eggs at all. Make sure that you follow these guidelines if you want to get maximum health benefits from those whole eggs. Remember, the healthiest people in those studies were not just eating eggs, they were eating eggs as a part of an overall healthy diet with vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. The whole point is, in order to get health benefits from those whole eggs, pair it with a healthy, balanced diet. That's it. So, what happens when you start eating eggs every single day? Based on the real science, your heart health might actually improve, your muscles get better building blocks, your eyes get long-term protection, your brain gets essential nutrients, and you get incredibly nutrition for very little money. And the old fear about eggs and cholesterol? Well, science has moved on. For most of the people, eating eggs on a daily basis is not just safe. In fact, for them, egg is one of the most nutritious food in their diet. And of course, everyone is different. If you have some specific health concerns, then you should always check with your health professional. But for most of us, that egg in your diet is like a little nutrient powerhouse which is waiting to improve your overall health and wellness. Do let me know in the comment section, after knowing the actual truth about the whole eggs, are you going to add them into your diet so that you can get health benefits from it? And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also add eggs into their diet without having any fear. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.